In this video, we will examine how to use the Pythagorean theorem to find the length of a given leg. In this diagram here on the screen, we have the right angle at the top, so the side opposite that will be our hypotenuse, labeled 45. That'll be our hypotenuse. And that means the other two sides will be our legs. Again, either one of those can be A or B when we use our Pythagorean theorem, a squared plus b squared equals c squared, where A and B represents the lengths of the sides and C represents, or I should say of the legs, and C represents the length of the hypotenuse. So here I'm going to call the unknown leg, I'll just call that length A. And so plugging in, B would be 25, and then I'll square that and see my hypotenuse 45 squared. So go ahead and doing the squaring. If I square 25 times 25, 625. I am going to grab a calculator. For 45 times 45 is 2025. And then subtracting 625 from both sides of this equation will give me, let's see, I'm going to subtract 625. I get 1,400. And then just to find the value of A, I'll be taking the square root of both sides. A will be the square root of 1,400. I'm using the approximately symbol to round that off. Pulling up my calculator, clearing it out, 1,400. Take the square root of that. It is a decimal. Again, I'm rounding to the second decimal place or the hundredths place, 37.416. Since I have a 6, I'm going to go up 1. 37.42 is what I will use as my final answer rounded to the nearest hundredth.